This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Mandy Gray. Beautiful brick ranch home that has been well loved and maintained. Extensive updates including newer cabinets with quartz countertops in the kitchen, remodeled primary bathroom, LVP flooring, newer HVAC and ducting, new sliding glass door, encapsulated crawl space with dehumidifier and so much more. Large backyard for entertaining with covered back patio, wonderful front porch perfect for rocking chairs and a fireplace that makes this home perfect and cozy. Must see. For more information, review the details below or contact Mandy Gray at 757-510-6199.